Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. So first of all, let's open the settings, go to the apps, so you have to scroll down and find the apps, and then tap on App Management. So right here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and basically what I highly recommend to do is to enter a specific app, so for example the settings. Let's go to storage usage. And as you can see here, we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, and they are not necessary for the app to work perfectly normally. Moreover, actually removing cache might help to speed up the app a little bit and overall your device. So all you have to do is to simply tap on clear cache. As you can see, you do not have to even confirm that, and your device will immediately remove it. Right here it is not possible to tap on clear data, but in other apps you will see, I don't know, maybe here? Yes, you will see this option, clear data, but I do not recommend tapping on that, because basically you will just remove all of the data, and basically the app will be brand new without any kind of photos, for example here, or accounts, etc. So I do not recommend that. However, as I said, I recommend tapping on clear cache, and do it for all of your apps, thanks to which you will release a lot of memory actually, and you will make your device a little bit faster. And after that, after this whole operation, I highly recommend to soft reset your device, basically in order to, let's say, confirm all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button and the volume up button together once, like that, and here just drag this ball to this restart option, and your device will automatically power off and then power on again, and everything will be fine. It should work a little bit faster. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.